Hey guys, hope you're doing great. My name is Annie, one of the creators of Drawn by Annie channel and the artist currently in this video. Here you see me working on one special piece that I've made for someone on their birthday. Since we both like Japanese culture and we both are doing martial arts together, I decided to make this piece for his birthday and gift it for him. For this piece, I use firstly pencils, like for any other of my sketches. I just go ahead and sketch out whatever I like. Then I go over with fine liners. And now I'm going ahead and putting in some marker colors, and I'm swatching them on a piece of paper before I actually apply it for the actual piece, because just in case. Maybe I won't like the exact color, because sometimes these caps don't really showcase the real color of the marker. So just in case, I do the extra swatch before I use the marker. For this piece, I'm using alcohol-based markers. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead with this one base color, and I'm going with another layer to add some depth to these bum pieces here. But this is just a little speed paint. This piece, the whole painting took me about like 3 hours or so. If we do not include like planning and the sketching before, because this is like third sketch, because I like to sketch out smaller thumbnails and see what will work the best for composition, for example. So this is finished piece. I'm going over with some eraser to make it look cleaner. Then I'm going with some extra fine liners and black markers to make it a little bit more deep. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Thanks for your attention.